This is a brief course tour of the MAT 003 Canvas course for the transition class. You are on the home page now, so make sure that every time you log into it, you read the recent announcements. There'll be one posted each week. You can also go down and click on this link and read any past announcements that have been posted. There'll be one for every week. It'll only show the first 3 on the home page. So if something's older than 3 weeks, you'll need to go back and just click on the announcements. Then you will click on the syllabus page. The syllabus page is where you can read all the information about your instructor, the course, the technical requirements, any other information that we think is very important. You can also click on the instructor policies, and once you do that, a copy of the actual syllabus will open up. You can either download it or print the syllabus. I recommend that you print the syllabus out so that you can have a hard copy of it, and as you can work through the material and work through the course, you'll be able to refer back to the syllabus for any information that you may need. Once you've done that, then you just close out the link. You can go back to your next part, which is the modules. This is where most of your information is going to be located. You will see that you're welcome to your Math 003 Transition Math course. You need to click on that link and view it. It's going to show you your instructor's name. It's also going to show you which course you're in and which semester you're in. And one of the things we want you to do is, again, make sure you read your announcements every time you log in. And also make sure you check your inbox for emails from the instructor every time you log into Canvas. Then what you will do is you will click on the next button. And this is the brief course tour that you're actually watching now. So once you've watched it, then you'll go back to the next button again, and you need the introductory forum. This must be completed by the census date. This particular class has a January 14th date. Yours may be different, so make sure you pay close attention to the date. Click on the reply, then go out there and post an introduction of yourself to introduce yourself to the class. Once you've done that, then you'll click on the next button. And this will tell you that you've actually either completed it or not. Once you've completed your introductory form, you were in the actual student view the first time, so since you haven't completed that, I'm going to use the instructor view for the rest of the video. You will get this message telling you that you have completed, your first post has been submitted, and that you'll be able to access the rest of the steps in the Math 003 Canvas class. So click on Next. Then go down to look at these important links. If you have any problems using the NROC EdReady Math software, which is the one we're going to be using for the course, you need to use this link if you have problems. This is the NROC website. This is not the Stanley Community College Help Center. So if you have problems with using the NROC EdReady Math software, you need to contact them. The Khan Academy videos are some useful videos you can watch to help you learn the different math concepts. A lot of these same videos are actually in the EdReady software, so you may never go into these, but if you do want to look on some more videos about a particular math concept, you can always use these videos. Then click on Next. This is another copy of the syllabus where you can just click on this little link and it'll open up the syllabus again. So if you've already printed it out from the actual syllabus module, then you just go ahead and click Next. This will bring you to the syllabus quiz. It's a quiz that must be completed. All the questions come from the syllabus or parts of the video that we've already completed. Once you have done that, then you'll click on Next. This is some important course information. You click on this link to open the important course information. This will give you a little bit more information about how the course is set up. If you're in a city class, it's the city class. It's tell me the days, tell me the instructor, where the location is, tell me about the tiers, and also down at the bottom gives you a few advantages for taking this Math 003 course. So print a copy of this out or download it. Again, I expect you to print it out and also put this in your notebook beside your syllabus. Then you will close it out and go to the next part. This will be another video. This video has not been done yet, but once I get it done, this will be for the Math 003 transition class, telling you how they work and how you know which tiers you need to complete. Then you will click on Next. And how to use the Math 003 transition course, you click on it. Open this link, and it will give you a little bit more information about how the actual course is going to be set up. It tells you about the goal key that you'll have to enter the first day of class. It tells you about your diagnostic tests, the units and the topics for the study plan, and how to actually take the final test for the particular tier. So just make sure that you print this out also, and all final tiers tests are proctored and must be taken in class. If you're in the seated class online, there's a different way that we do yours. They are still proctored. So once you close that out, you'll go to the next item in your list, which is a quiz. It's on the information that you just learned in the step 2. So once you complete this quiz, then go out and you'll learn where you find all your math assignments for the class. Again, all your math assignments are in the NROC EdReady software. So make sure that you understand that. Those assignments for the math part are on Canvas. They're all in the NROC. So then click on Next. This is going to be a brief course tour of the Math EdReady course. It's going to tell you how to navigate around in EdReady and the NROC part. So make sure you really watch this video and pay close attention to the steps. This is a handout. If you'll read these instructions on how to work in EdReady and complete a tier, this is basically the same thing that's on the video. But again, the video shows you the screens. This is just going to show you in words how to complete the things. So again, download a copy, or I highly recommend you print it out, so as you're working through the process of completing a tier, you can see the steps that you need to complete all the way down through the diagnostic test, the learn and test part, which is the unit information. Then you'll go down to how to do the final test, and then all the scores is required to be able to pass a test or pass the units information. So again, once you do that, just close it out, go to the next step, which is your unit topics list. This gives you a list of all the information and all the different topics that are in each one of the units. These are the study units. The whole numbers tells you these are different topics in there. So some of these topics, once you take the diagnostic test, you'll be able to be exempted from. Some of the other ones you won't, that you should have to do. And these are all the different units in the module or the tier 1. Once you get tier 1 passed, I'll send you the information for the tier 2 and tier 3 if you need to do that one. But for right now, we're just going to worry about completing tier 1 in the course. So once you looked at all these different unit topics that you're going to have to be responsible for completing, then you just close the link out and then go to the next item in the module. This tells you to click on the single SEC EdReady link on the next page to access your EdReady course. It will go straight to the dashboard page in your EdReady course without having to enter a username and password. All you have to do is click on the link and it will actually carry you to your course. The screen will look like those in the previous video from step 3, so that you'll be able to see what you've done. And so all you have to do is now use a single login link that goes directly to the SEC EdReady website. If you do not understand some of the stuff on this Canvas brief course tour, the Canvas course, let your instructor know the first couple of days of the class so that we can get you started. You need to actually get started in the EdReady information course software on the first day of class, or at least by the second day of class, so that you can go ahead and get a good start on the information. Again, if you have any questions, contact your instructor. Hope everything goes well with you in the semester.